Hi guys! So I'm going to be doing a voiceover instead of using music because you know what, it's really hard finding royalty-free music. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Laura Geller Dewdreamer Illuminating Drops. It comes in 4 different shades, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to apply these. I'm going to go ahead and use Gilded Honey and mix this with a primer, and what this is going to do is going to give me an illuminating primer. So if you have like a boring mattifying primer but you want some glow into it, add this into it and it will literally transform the primer. And look, it literally hid some of my pigment. You can wear the primer by itself, but I'm going to go ahead and put some foundation on and blend it with a dirty beauty blender. Yeah girl, that's me. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out, and look at that. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes! Gonna add a little bit of blush now, and yes, I nearly killed the blusher, but I didn't though, it survived. And what this does is that it's gonna make the highlighter look a little bit more like cute and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Ballerina, and make sure you shake these Dewdreamers because they are really liquidy and there's a lot of pigment in there as well. And look how pigmented that is, guys. I'm not playing. Look. Me with highlighter and me without. But anyway, with the remaining highlighter that is on the brush, go ahead and apply that on the tip of your nose and at the top of your nose as well. Another way to use these illuminators is by using it as an eyeshadow, and yes, I am putting down my eyelashes to put these on, and do not mind my lash line, I forgot to put eyeliner on there, but yeah, look how cute that is. Alright guys, this is my favourite tip. I'm going to show you guys how to make your own liquid lipstick at home. So what you need to do is that you need a light base lipstick, and then go ahead with the Dewdreamer Illuminator and then apply it with a brush and blend it out. And then it looks a little crazy, but just trust me on this, guys. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get your finger and just tap off the excess liquid. That way your lips don't feel too heavy. And then you want to go ahead and apply a darker lipstick. This is going to give your lips some dimension. Okay, you know that tip was a good idea. Now that the face is done, it is time to move on to the body now. And yeah, I am literally being so extra right now. What you're going to do is that you're going to go ahead and apply Gilded Honey on a stippling brush, and you're just going to apply it all over your chest, and look at that glow. It didn't hit me until I looked into my camera that this glow is intense. And yeah, make sure you blend it all out, that way there's no streaks or anything, because that is something you do not want. And then you want to go ahead and apply a little bit of diamond dust on like your actual collarbones, and it's going to act as like a, I mean it is a highlight, but like an extra highlight, you know what I mean? And then you're going to go ahead and use a clean brush, even though this brush isn't actually clean. Yeah, you're going to go ahead and blend it all out, and look.
Feels so good. You're lying here next to me.
Hope you like this video, guys, and I will see you soon.